What is your name?
My name is Luca Colombo.
Okay, Luca, and what is the company that you're here representing?
My company, I founded the company 25 years ago, and the name is A.Matic, and we are specialized in design and construction of automatic assembling system.
Really?
Assembling of parts for the manufacturing, and we make all the throughout parts of the machine inside our company with our people.
Wow. And where are you located?
We are located near Milan, north of Italy. We are about 40 kilometers over Milan, and we are near Lake of Como.
Oh, beautiful. Nice place. Why should an American manufacturer work with Automatica?
We already have companies that we are supplying here in the US. We reached them because they are parts of big companies that has one site in Italy.
Okay.
And we are in contact with them in Italy, and we produced machines for assembling for them. And when people from US came into Italy to visit that company, had a look on our machines, we give them, and decided to purchase some machines for the US market, US company too.
Wonderful. If there is anybody watching
Yeah.
that is interested in working with you, how can they contact you?
Oh, they can contact us by our website. We have the possibility to contact them. We have one page where they can look request.
Yep.
They can identify what is your company, which is the contact person. And then we can start from them contacting, and we are useful to run.
Yeah.
So if they need, we can come, we can discuss, we can become partners.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Thank you.
Thanks to you.